Hi, today I have started the new project in a Kasaragod in a Sadhguru solitaire building. Here it's a 2 BHK property, and we will doing the tractor emulsion paint or Asian paint on ceiling and the royal luxury emulsion paint on wall. Wall will be the fresh painting with 2 coat of putty, and ceiling is a repaint. I'll show you the current update of the property, what's going on. So just started the. This is the first bedroom. Here the masking, packaging, and crack repairing work is done. This is the passage area. Here the work is not started, and this is the living room area. This is the master bedroom area. Here the masking, packaging work is completed, and the first coat of putty work is going on after the crack repairing. After completion of the bedroom, today the work started in the living room. This is a texture wall, and after base preparation we will do again texture work here, spatula texture, and on wall royal luxury emulsion. Currently the putty application work is going on. Hi, hello friends. Today I am at my Kasaragod project in Sadhguru Solitaire complex. So today is the last day of the project. All the work is completed. It was a 2 BHK complex, and there is some texture work also. So everything is finished. Cleaning वगैरह सब कुछ हो गया है. मैं इस वीडियो में आपको फाइनल अपडेट क्या है, प्रॉपर्टी कैसी लग रही है पेंट होने के बाद, मैं आपको इस वीडियो में अपडेट करता हूँ. This is the living room area. Ceiling final, wall final with royal luxury emulsion. This is the texture wall. Spatula texture done here in a living room area. Paint work completed with the cleaning. Passage area. This is the bedroom one. Work is completed with cleaning done.
We expect you to use that. Or are you looking on the case?
नहीं. This is a master bedroom area. Work is final with cleaning done. All the furniture which was covered with the plastic unmasked. This is the highlighting wall with the color combination of royal luxury emulsion, fully washable paint. This is the final update of this.